Okay, so one other thing we're talking when we talk about non-disjunctions and chromosome disorders, um, is the age of the parents plays a big role in this, and specifically um, the age of the mom. Okay, so I have two little charts here from studies, New England Journal of Medicine, the British OBGYN journal. So again, the idea with the non-disjunction is simply the homologous chromosomes don't separate or the sister chromatids don't separate properly, and as a result, you end up with an extra chromosome. So if you look at the table here, as age increases, the risk of Down syndrome increases also, right? So one per every 30 births versus one times 100 and 1,667 births, right? You're more likely here to have a child with Down syndrome than you are here. Um, the risk of any chromosomal abnormality increases as the mother ages, right? HL students, you'll remember that all the eggs that the mother ever needs are produced at birth. So this kind of makes sense in the sense that by increasing the age of the mother, you're increasing the age of the eggs. And to that time, they've been exposed to more radiation, environmental influences that may damage some of those genes involved in mitosis. Okay. And again, you can see another graph here. The percentage of live births of um, babies with who babies who have Down syndrome increases with age. Right, it goes from 30 less than 0.25% up to 3.5% the older you get. So it's something to be aware of. If you want to have children, the older you are, the higher these risks are. Though interesting enough, most Down syndrome occurs kind of in the 30s, because also that's kind of a more common age when people have children, right? So it's more births, but more Down syndrome babies simply because the sheer number of births. Okay. So the next video we'll kind of talk about. All right, we know what a karyotype is. We know what the risks are. How can we test our fetuses um, for Down syndrome? Okay.